what's happened to the weather? I thought it was getting nice, it was lovely. And then today it's rubbish. But we've had a sign of things to come. We're going to have a look in the little motorhome again. So yeah, weather is getting better, and it obviously gets you in the mood to go away. So let me know if you're that little bit of sunshine that we had this last week. Let me know if you've booked somewhere and want to go away. That's the nice thing, isn't it? Whether you've got a caravan or a motorhome, just being able to go off for the weekend and enjoy the weather. Yeah.
Who's been singing?
So this has got external barbecue point, onboard water tanks, the heating, so flue for the boiler, for the water system, blown air heating inside, lovely motorhome. It's 6-speed manual, and it's a little two-berth. Hopefully got another nice little two-berth due in as well, and then this has got a nice washroom on the back. So we're going to have a tour and some potential tips. I nearly fell out the door then. One tip is do not fall out the door, that's going to hurt. So something that I should have listened to myself. So for the last couple of weeks I've been saying about batteries.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so we had been, our lorry had been off the road, somehow somebody didn't build it big enough for the things that it needed to be able to carry the weight, or wasn't upgraded. I don't know.
Excuse me, it was daft.
So anyway, springs that were rated to
8.5 ton?
8.5 ton snapped, and both of them snapped. One snapped, we had to get recovered. We had to strip the complete back end of the lorry down to be able to get recovered, and then the other snapped, just stood there. So we've upgraded the springs on that, but in between all this happening we've got some other work that was due to do, and we never plugged it in, did we?
No.
Solar panels, I've been saying for weeks, the solar panels haven't been enough to charge the battery up, and that's exactly what happened to us. They hadn't charged up the Bluetti, and I've now got to boost it again to get life back into the battery to be able to use it. So I'm hoping to do that.
It is completely dead, isn't it?
Another reminder for you, check your battery. Make sure your battery is okay and charging.
And we've got more solar panels on our roof than caravans have as well.
So we've got like 1200 watts of solar, and that hasn't kept the battery charged up over this time. So make sure your leisure battery is good. Bailey Alicanto, Lisbon, 1700 kilos, 27,995. Lovely island beds. Still island beds being one of the best sellers. On Sunday we're going to be having a look at again a couple of tips, a few different things, and a bit of market data. I've got some proper data, so we'll be able to look at that on Sunday. Some new ones that have just come in, so we're going to have a quick look at the new ones. So last week we said about family vans. For the last 12 months they've been slower. They've not been selling as quickly as sort of the fixed beds, and it has been that fixed island bed at the back that's been our biggest seller. But we have now just started to get a couple of family vans. We're dipping our toe into the water to see. I've got to find them. Well, that's a newish one in, is it? Don't know that we've looked in this one, have we? So we'll look in this one. But a couple of others that we've got are family vans. This isn't a family van, obviously. This is a two-berth. No, we have had a quick look in this one before. So this is a little two-berth in. This is fairly recently just come in. It is 11,995.
Whoa, that's big, isn't it?
Massive washroom. I don't know whether you've actually seen this one.
Big wardrobe in that washroom too, isn't it?
Massive. So yeah, that's a nice Coachman two-berth. 1,500 kilos, so a heavy two-berth, but it's got motor mover on there. External air blower into the awning to heat the awning.
Oh, it sounds good, doesn't it?
External 230-volt socket in the little locker there, and a gas barbecue point as well. Bailey, Pegasus and Kona. So nice 5-berth caravan, and a good weight as well. 2017, 1475. So under the 1,500 kilos. Big fridge freezer, so you've got a big fridge freezer in here, and then at the back you've got the washroom with separate shower and toilet. So a nice family van with fixed bunk beds. The side here, it is just a single, it doesn't make into a bunk bed,
Oh,
so hence why it is just a 5.
Yeah.
But big seats at the front, so that makes a big double bed as well. Nice microwave, nice little van that one, so that's just come in. Another wide berth, so it's pretty much the same sort of lead. So that's the Bailey, Pegasus and Kona, so that was sort of mid-range, and then the Phoenix or the Pursuit was the entry-level range of the Bailey. So
is this lighter than that one then as well?
Not a huge amount. So 1407, and that was 1475.
Right.
So 68ish kilos if my maths are working there off the top of my head. So yeah, not huge.
You'd have thought it would be more, wouldn't you? Because this has got the small fridge as well.
It has, yeah. So it's got both options for the sort of 5 berth. One, as I say, 14,995. This one 11,995, and it's 2018. And then we've got the washroom at the back with a separate shower and toilet. So again, just really a quick whiz through. There are a couple of other vans. Let's see if we can see. Let's see if we can see them. They've only just come in, so they've not been cleaned, and they're halfway in between being cleaned at the minute. So I'm not sure whether we can actually get in to them or not. Magical mystery tour today. It's on the track. We might on the track. And this one has just come in. Side island bed, seating at the front, and then the washroom at the back. Literally just come in, so it's not been touched, not been cleaned, not been done anything. It's just starting to wash the outside. So this is probably going to be about 14,995. Very similar to a little compass that we'd got. Or it was a compass, another compass Corona. So similar to this.
How do you open the door?
Let's have a quick look.
Stuck? Is there a? Is not a
did you
pin
turn the
down,
knob?
No, I was turning the knob.
Turn the knob.
It didn't work.
Turn the knob, of course. So yeah,
This is a nice van, isn't it?
Nice big panoramic sunroof as well.
What's the weight on this one?
And this is probably about 1,500 kilos again. So yeah, 1447 maximum. We have got a couple of others that are just coming in. So we might, I don't think we will actually. I was going to say we might get a chance to have a look at those on Sunday's video, but probably not. Hopefully, as I say, just really a quick bit of a tour around. Checking your leisure battery, make sure your leisure battery is charged up and in a good state. As I say, I've been saying this for weeks, and I've even felt foul to it myself, so making sure it is in good condition is really, really important. On Sunday's video, again, we'll have a look at a bit of information, we'll have a tour around some of the different vans, have a look in a bit more detail into some of the new ones coming. We might get to have a look in one of the other ones that have just come in. I think we're sort of pricing at the part exchange at the minute, so making sure it's okay. And then yeah, we'll see you on Sunday. If that does come in, hopefully I'll be able to give you some information, or we'll have a quick look at that, and then we'll see you then. Thanks for watching. I'm Mark at the Caravan Place.